Morning friends, I will show you the collection of portulacas that I have and how they are being visited by insects for pollen, for nectar. This is a tiny butterfly, a small butterfly sitting at the edge. You will see a lot of ants and bees. So this is one shade of portulaca that I have. Then I have this other variety. This is a shaded orange and pink flower. Very pretty. I come back to this plant to show you the bees are visiting it. And you can see a large honeybee visiting the flowers. So this is a shaded orange and pink variety that I showed you just now. Then this is another variety that I have, peach in color, double portulaca. This is a shaded variety that I have. Both of these are growing in the same pot. Then we move on to the next. This is a shade of pink that I have. 2-3 shades of pink shaded. Very beautiful flowers. Then we move on to the white variety. This is white portulaca. You can see. This is another pot having 3-4 colors together. Now see, this is a different shade, bright reddish pink. We have peach shaded. Then we move on to the yellow. This is the yellow portulaca, very pretty. Lots of insects are sitting on it, busy doing their work in the morning. So this is the whole line of portulacas. They give life to the garden, and we have them for almost 4 months of summers, right from April onwards till August. Though after it rains, the flowers start getting spoiled because of water, but whenever there is sun, they need bright sunshine. So whenever there is sun, the flowers are back again. And these are very easy to maintain. You can propagate them by cuttings, and you can save a few pots after the season, and the next year you can prepare many more pots from the same pot that you have kept, because you can plant cuttings and you will have several. I have collected these and I plant them year after year from the same pots. One pot of each shade I preserve during the winters, and in March beginning I replant them, and then I have many pots of different colors which give life to the garden in summer. Hope you will also do this. Mixed pot having yellow and white flowers. This is a shade of yellow. I had 2 pots of yellow, but right now they are not flowering. Very few flowers are there. This is a mixed one that I had put. This is one pot of yellow, but right now there are not enough flowers in it. This is another shade that I have, a shaded one. Each flower is beautiful. And it's so pleasing to have bright flowers all around. And I take pictures of these flowers and send it to my friends every morning with a good morning wish. As I told you, these can easily be propagated by cuttings. So go ahead. You can even do them now. Good luck.